All right, and we're live, everybody. It's your boy Travis here. Man, I'm in my 4th week at the San Diego Code School, and let me tell you, my mind is blown. I am starting to use Node.js, which is an open source server environment. I never thought I'd get into some wild stuff like this. So basically, it takes JavaScript, and instead of it being in your browser, when you go in Chrome and Firefox and Internet Explorer, not really Internet Explorer, but you go on there. That's JavaScript that kind of connects to the front end, the DOM, and all this type of stuff. Well, Node is on the server side, and it has all these little plugins that you learn that you plug in, and all this information can happen, and it's crazy. Like you can basically get it to write anything. I mean, Node.js is on your watch, it's on your phone, it's on your computer, and now we're starting to learn it. We wrote our own servers, and it's hard. I mean, every little day I'm learning, and I'm using like front end masters and Udemy and JavaScript, and my skill level with JavaScript has grown so much. I'm learning to program asynchronously, and I'm using promises and callbacks and making all my HTML come to life, and learning a little bit of Sass in there and Bootstrap and SVGs and stuff, and making it look really cool because design guy, you gotta make it pop a little bit. But I'm on my 4th week in this program, and I'm going to say my biggest challenge this week was going from this level here with JavaScript to just being like, whoa, now it's becoming real life. Every day is like a new thing, and I love it. Like I'm obsessed. Like when I have to go out and work, I don't even want to be at work. I get this anxiety. I just want to be coding because I feel like I'm falling behind the other students. Like every time I see them, they've like stepped forward, and I feel like I'm back here because I've had to spend time doing that. So I'm selling my truck. I'm selling Thundra. I'm really sad. She's a gorgeous truck. I mean, low mileage. But somebody's got to be happy, and I can't really give her the love that I want. So, but somebody else is going to be able to, and she's going to enjoy that. She's a gorgeous beast. Somebody else is going to be riding a Valhalla and Thundra. But I'm going to take that money, and it's going to allow me for the next 8 weeks, because I'm in my 4th week of the 16-week program. Plus, it's going to probably a couple weeks after that to get a job, but it's going to allow me to focus all my time and energy on programming and learning. I'll work a little bit here and there, but a lot of those hours can be used towards focus, and that's all I can think about because I want to be at your guys' level. You guys are my inspiration. Like all the new students at school, my inspiration. Oh, and on top of that, guys, there was a baseball hackathon. And I was on a team with a bunch of great guys, super smart individuals. We didn't win, but I did get a leadership award, guys. I got a leadership award. Like, I used all my skills and everything I've done, from teaching and instructing teams and everything, and had our team create from the front end to the back, and we created this this app that uses a weather API and a statistic API, and it was called Under the Weather, and it took that data and aggregated it and would tell you if you were to open it up and say, oh, is the weather going to be good or bad this day, and then it would give you a percentage if your team was to win or lose that game, depending on their past year statistics and the team they played and the weather. And I thought that was great. And my whole thing to pitch was like, we can monetize it to the baseball teams, because they could say, hey, like this day we know it's going to be this weather, our teams might be like this, maybe we'll give out hats or give out some sunscreen, and what's up, man, get some of that money. Like, it's all about that, right? In reality, the most important thing I learned this week was to just stay focused with everything I've done. I've wrapped my whole mind around like this new concept of the servers and understanding how it's talking to each other, and just taking those little chunks, like making the little baby steps, you know, and then working as a team and thinking about how we can make these milestones to get from beta to alpha to gold, and producing a product like that. Hackathon opened up my mind. I'm like so gracious for that opportunity, and this opportunity I've been given to be at this code school. And you know, I just want to do great things for you guys, inspire you. I hope that you take a challenge like this someday, you know, at a later date. I mean, it's great. I mean, every day is a puzzle, and you're solving it, and I don't know, I love it. Here comes my lady. She's coming in, but I just want to talk to you guys about that, and thank you.